this time the mystery of the universe. I would like to send you an urban legend heavy battle about the Big Bang. The Big Bang! It is the most widely accepted scientific theory about the origin of the universe. Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began to expand from an extremely high temperature and high density state. It is believed that it continues to spread as it does now, but once the Big Bang theory became widely known, various urban legends, conspiracy theories, and supernatural interpretations have emerged related to this. Here are some urban legends related to the Big Bang theory. I would like to look at the background of each and why it is believed the Big Bang is God's plan. Since the Big Bang theory was put forward, some religious thinkers and spiritualists I've been spreading urban legends linking the Big Bang to God's plan. In this theory, the Big Bang was deliberately caused by God. The very creation of the universe is believed to be based on God's will. The Bible and the Quran. The creation narratives in various religious texts. In fact, it is often interpreted as a symbolic representation of the Big Bang. In this urban tale, the Big Bang is not just a physical phenomenon. Control the universe. Transcendent beings who created. Put simply, God is sustaining everything, especially the act of creating something from nothing. Mythical and religious creation stories. To align with, for many believers and spiritualists, this theory is supported as showing the integration of science and religion. In addition, how the universe came to be ordered in VIP numbers, and the origins of life. Not just a coincidence, some believe it is a deliberate design. This theory, it's also tied to the intelligent design theory. It spreads from the viewpoint that the complexity of the universe and life cannot be explained by chance. The Big Bang is a false history, the Big Bang theory. The prevailing theory in contemporary cosmology. There are many conspiracy theorists who doubt this. One of the most famous urban legends. The Big Bang is false history. The truth is that it is hidden in this theory. The Big Bang theory was deliberately propagated by scientists. It asserts that the true origins and history of the universe are being concealed by the government and scientific community. This urban legend, it is rooted in a distrust that the truth common to all conspiracy theories is hidden. Those who doubt the Big Bang theory, asking whether there is really reliable evidence for the origin of the universe. Manipulations of scientific evidence and observational data suggest the possibility that this is happening. They say that the Big Bang didn't really exist, or assert that an entirely different phenomenon has occurred. I will try to find that truth. One reason supporting this theory is that the concept of the beginning of the universe is very abstract. There is a point where it is difficult to understand. The theory of the Big Bang is very complex. Due to numerous aspects that the general public might find perplexing, the idea that this is some kind of conspiracy, it is easy to cause misunderstandings and doubts. The Big Bang is viewed from a different dimension. In another urban legend about the Big Bang, there is a theory that the Big Bang was caused by interference from another dimension. This theory is, the Big Bang is not just a physical phenomenon from another dimension or universe that we cannot recognize, founded on the notion that forces play a role. In line with this theory, our universe was born as a result of contact with other different dimensional spaces. The Big Bang is believed to be due to interdimensional collisions and releases of energy that occurred at that moment. In this urban legend, the Big Bang was an interdimensional mishap, or it is sometimes thought to be the result of deliberate experimentation by a life form from another dimension. These theories are parallel worlds and multiverses, polyglot universe. Related to theory, it ties into the idea that the Big Bang was more than just a phenomenon explaining the birth of the universe. In SF works and fantasy literature, relationships with different dimensions and parallel universes are often treated as a theme, making this type of urban legend particularly popular. The Big Bang and alien involvement. Another urban legend about the Big Bang is that it is suggested that the Big Bang might have been initiated by alien beings. In this theory, the Big Bang was not a natural phenomenon. It is said to be the result of super advanced intelligent life forms deliberately creating the universe. Serving as their own experimentation in complex projects, they allege the creation of an entirely new universe. According to this urban legend, aliens are the creators of our universe. We are still observing the universe. It is rumored that management might be involved. Their aim is to watch the development of intelligent life forms like ours. The idea is that in some cases it can even intervene in the evolution of the universe. This theory also connects with the notion of ancient spaceflight facilities and aliens interfering with Earth's civilization. Also based on this urban legend, at the edge of the universe and beyond a black hole, it is said that the world in which alien creators exist is expanding. The Big Bang is the world and us. It is believed that it plays the role of a bridge connecting the universe. This type of urban legend is interest and fear of aliens. And the unsolved mystery of the origin of the universe is spreading. The Big Bang reset the universe. As another urban legend associated with the Big Bang, there exists a theory suggesting the Big Bang was a cosmic reset following the conclusion of previous civilizations. In this theory, the Big Bang wasn't actually the inaugural event. It's based on the idea that the universe has existed and disappeared many times in the past. The Big Bang is in one iteration of these cosmic resets. The theory posits that past civilizations and the universe have perpetually faced destruction and renewal. This urban legend, associated with circular cosmology, the universe has a Big Bang and a Big Crunch, cosmic contraction and collapse. It incorporates the idea of repeating infinitely. In other words, the current universe is recreated as a result of the collapse of the previous universe. It was born. It is also said that a new Big Bang will happen after the end one day. This theory it provides an interesting perspective to explain the cycle of the end and new beginnings of the universe. Furthermore, in this theory, as a result of the universe we live in being reset, since it is newly born, past sentences, Ming's memory and knowledge are said to be lost. How does this reset work? Whether or not it is caused by it remains a mystery. Various interpretations have been made by those seeking ancient knowledge and traces of civilization. The Big Bang and the concept of time. As one of the urban legends associated with the Big Bang, there is a saying that time began with the Big Bang. This theory is that it is based on the idea that time itself did not exist before the Big Bang. In other words, since time began to flow from the moment the universe was born, the theory that events and states before that are completely meaningless. This idea gave rise to philosophical debate. It provides an interesting perspective to deepen our understanding of the nature of time. It is very difficult to imagine a state of nothing before the Big Bang, and therefore prompts many people to think about how time itself is defined. This urban legend is also linked to fiction and myths about time travel and time reversal. For instance, if time started with the Big Bang, it is inherently impossible to go back into the past. People say only forward travel in time is possible. This perspective is nonlinearity and time paradox spark discussion, proving the Big Bang's truth. Also, among the urban legends about the Big Bang, some say the truth is concealed. With the Big Bang theory spreading, certain scientific groups intentionally manipulate information. By hiding certain theories and evidence, some people believe they are keeping the public from understanding the truth. In this perspective, evidence and observational data for the Big Bang are controlled by some elite scientists. It is alleged that accurate information is not being communicated to the public. This urban legend, the Big Bang theory, is so esoteric. It comes from the fact that the general public needs specialized knowledge to understand. Distrust and suspicion of the progress of science. It fuels conspiracy theories about hidden truths. Was the Big Bang's outcome a life-saving coincidence? As one of the urban legends associated with Big Bang, there is also debate over whether the outcome of the Big Bang was life-saving or accidental. This discussion is, was the creation and evolution of the universe preceded in a planned way? Or could it merely be the byproduct of random chance? Some people, while believing that the complex structure of the universe and the birth of life were merely coincidences, others have a plan behind it. I insist there is a design. This urban legend, it sits at the intersection of scientific and philosophical approaches to the origin and evolution of the universe. Anonymous and deterministic perspectives. It is an opportunity to think about how it relates to scientific understanding. The Big Bang and superpowers. Another urban legend associated with the Big Bang is that the Big Bang is the origin of human superpowers. In this theory, because the Big Bang was a huge explosion of energy in the universe, This energy somehow affected human consciousness. It is said that individuals with superpowers were born. In particular, telepathy and investing. Abilities such as mental power. It is thought to have arisen under the influence of the energy of the Big Bang. This urban legend, connected with various myths and legends concerning psychic powers, it stirs interest in human potential and evolution. The concept that the Big Bang gave humans new and unique dimensional abilities is commonly explored in science fiction and fantasy works. The Big Bang and the future of humanity. Finally, one of the urban legends about the Big Bang is there is an idea that the Big Bang hints at the future of humanity. In this theory, as long as the expansion of the universe continues, our civilization, it is said that it will continue to evolve under its influence. Also, as the Big Bang suggests, a new Big Bang awaits the future of the universe. At that future point, we must contemplate how humanity will undergo transformation. This urban legend, it inspires scientific predictions and expectations for the future. The theory of the VIP version is, to those interested in the evolution of the universe, it is a cake that makes you think about the possibilities of the future and the meaning of our existence. In conclusion, urban legends about the Big Bang, scientific knowledge combined with human creativity. It's an interesting phenomenon where cultural background works. These urban legends are the origin of the universe and the existence of mankind. It even offers questions about the meaning of life. Much of what the Big Bang was like has been scientifically clarified. Still, there is no doubt that there is a mystery beyond our understanding. There is no room for it through these urban legends. Could it have been a watermelon because humanity gets the opportunity to think deeply about its own deadlines and future? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.